Now, I've had conversations with some of my male friends who have disclosed to me that they just wanted to have sex with this girl. When they met her, they knew from the moment they met her that they just wanted to have sex with her. There are some other guys that have said that even though the girl was making them wait for a long time, when she finally did give it up, they still left. So of course there's that misconception that if you wait for a long time before you give it up, then he will stay, you will have him on lock and key. It's a lie. It doesn't work that way. Honestly, because it's not just about waiting, it's also about what are you doing when you're waiting. And I was having this conversation in my private female group, in the email group, and I was sharing with them because right now we're sharing dating in heels, which are the 10 uncommon rules, or the 10 rules for dating for women. And in dating in heels, I was sharing something about sex and what to do while you're waiting for sex to happen. Now, the truth is, no matter how long you wait, if the time is not spent actively creating a relationship, investing in a relationship with this person, and having them invest their own emotions, their own time and energy, then you're really just wasting your time waiting and spending time just waiting. Okay? So you want to really understand that, first of all, sex with guys is sex. It is just, I want to have sex. It is pleasure, it is physical. For us women, it is more emotional. We are very emotional about sex. It's not just this physical thing, is ganging and banging, bang, 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 we're done. That's not it. For girls, we're very emotional about it. For guys, they're very physical and logical about it. Okay, pam, 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 we're done, goodbye. And it's not like that with us. Now, this is the reason that a lot of guys leave after sex. Well, not all the time, but this applies. It is you. You began to act up after sex. You began to get annoying. You began to do these things that we girls do, very emotional, very clingy, very... Have you ever thought about the fact that you might have been the problem that he left after sex? Did you think about this? I know that this might come very shocking and be like, oh, but I know that he just wanted sex. I know that this was sex that he just wanted. How do you know? Not all guys are just like that, but it is true that when guys meet you on a biological and chemical level, they're attracted to you like physically. And yes, sex is on their mind when they meet you, when they're attracted to you like that. And if they get sex, okay. If they don't get sex, oh well, they will try and probably they'll go to the next girl. But if they do get sex without an investment of time and energy and emotions in creating a non-physical attraction with you, then it's most likely that they might leave after sex. But what if they did not want to leave after sex, but something you did after sex triggered them leaving? Do you understand? So yes, there's this whole emotional thing that goes on with us girls, and after sex we begin to feel like, oh, he's the one for me. He made me feel so special. I never felt anything like that. Oh, I'm so in love. And then you begin to chase him, and then you begin to get clingy, and then you begin to tell him how you feel and how so emotional and connected you are. And guys don't have time for that. They're not really interested, especially at the beginning of a relationship that has not really become a relationship. So when people say, oh, you gave it up too early, I almost don't always agree with that, but yes, there's some truth in that. But let's now talk about when you are delaying sex and trying to give it up later. Like I said earlier, what are you doing in that time before you finally decide to give it up? Are you getting him to invest his emotions? Are you getting him to chase you? Are you getting him to be there for you? Are you getting him to begin to love you emotionally and mentally before he loves you sexually? What are you doing in that time? I share more on this in my email group for women dating in heels right now. If you want to check it out, please click the link in the description below, and I'll be with you guys. And as I share in the book Dating in Heels, I said, look, there is non-physical attraction and there is physical attraction. For guys, non-physical attraction is what you really want him to have for you, because physical attraction is very easy. Physical attraction happens the minute he sees you, the minute he looks at your photos on Instagram, the minute he sends you that DM. He's already attracted to you. When somebody meets you on a physical level, physical attraction can happen immediately. Sexual attraction can happen immediately, but there is non-physical attraction. That attraction that keeps them wanting to call you when you're not there, that keeps them missing you when you're not there, when you haven't spoken to them in a while. They're like, where is this girl? I need to speak to her now. My heart misses her. You know, you want to be able to have time with this person so you can build a stronger cord or a stronger bond of non-physical attraction, so that when sex happens, it happens and kind of builds that up. So I hope this makes sense for you, and I hope you can see how sometimes we are the problems. We are the ones that project all of this emotional insecurities and all these emotional attachments after sex, and it really does drive guys away. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. We love to read from all of you, and people are watching this video from all over the world, and everybody just loves to read comments, right? So please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single week, and I'd love to see you in my next one. I love you. Bye.